Hey everyone, it's me, 777, and welcome back to my vlog on the OneWheel. These are my kids, and so far we have 75 miles on this OneWheel. I would attribute about 20 of them to the kids because they really like this. Margot, what is your favorite part of about the OneWheel?
The one wheel.
The OneWheel.
It's just really fun to ride and stuff.
Yeah. So guys, this episode of my vlog is sponsored by Craft&Ride because they sent me a concave footpad. It's pretty cool. So I went ahead and I bought a few other accessories, one being a magnetic fender and also some rail wraps because my rails are getting pretty scuffed up here. These are black, so I'm pretty excited about it. So we have the fender, the rail wraps, and also the footpad, which was sent to me by Craft&Ride. Now, Aiden, what is your favorite accessory? What are you excited about today?
Well, originally I thought that for the magnetic fender, there wasn't going to be any assembly. We just go
clunk. Yeah.
But actually, we have to take a little bit apart and put these little metal things on it. Anyways, I'm excited for that because now if I'm going on dirt, then I can just pop it on, and if I want to go on the street, then I can just take it off.
Yeah. Or if something is stuck underneath. Yeah. Anyway, that's our video today. I'm going to put you guys on time lapse and we'll get started. Okay guys, here is the OneWheel Classic, the concave footpad. Went on super easy, 4 screws, done. Okay guys, my son and I just got done putting on the rail wraps. It's a vinyl wrap. It matches the rails pretty nice. I noticed that from the power port or the on-off switch that I did have to stretch it a little bit, which was no problem because it fit on just perfectly. I have a little bit of a bobble right there. It's not a big deal. But I do like the blacked out look of the OneWheel now, so this is going to be pretty cool. Now we're going to move on right to the fender. Aiden here has read all the instructions, and each one of these metal CNC machine metal pieces that get mounted to your board have a 90-degree little lip on it, and that needs to go towards the center of the board. So here, 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 and here, and here. Okay guys, so here is the Craft&Ride fender. It's really pretty cool. So it has 4 steel inserts that get mounted to the chassis, and then there's also these neodymium magnets that are on the bottom here, and they get lined up with the fender. This snaps on just like this. You kind of have to line them up and just get them snapped into place. And there's those little grooves that the magnets actually go into it. So anyway guys, I think this is going to be nice and protective, and it's also going to prevent all the gunk that comes up when you're riding it without a fender. going up onto my feet and onto the pads here. We're gonna take this out and ride it. We're gonna tell you guys how we like the OneTail Classic, the concave foot pad. I think the rail wraps went on really nice. I like the way it looks. And this should give us a lot of nice clearance from the wheel so we don't get so much sound reverberating through the fender as we're riding it. Now the cool thing about this fender is if you know you're going to be riding, let's say on just pavement and no dirt at all, you can just take the fender off just like that, leave it at home, okay? Also, if you get something stuck up underneath the fender, you don't have to sit there with a wrench and take off the whole thing to get it to get that thing unstuck. So you can just pop it off, get the pine cone out of there, and just put it back into place, just line everything up here, and you're pretty much good to go. So once again, thank you so much to Craft&Ride for sending me the foot pad. We like it. We'll do a follow-up video coming up pretty soon. Thanks. And thanks to my kids. Bye. Bye. Okay guys, so this is my first jaunt with the OneWheel Classic, the concave rear foot pad, and it is immediately noticeable. It's really nice. So I always usually pick up my toes on my heel side edges and my heel comes up. This gives you a nice grippy feel. It's really nice. So here's my board. So anyway, thank you so much to Craft&Ride. This is a quick review. This is my first jaunt out. Once again, I have to say thank you so much to my lovely wife for letting us do this on the kitchen counter. Of course, I put this nice backdrop on here, and I did wipe the whole thing down before we actually got started. So thank you, Andrea. I love you. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.